Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover or restore deleted video call recording. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store, deleted video recovery. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it, and in this time you can choose and open video recover, and then you can click on it. And in this you can see your all deleted video call recording recover or restore in this here. So first of all, you can choose and select it you need deleted video call recording, and then open it, and then choose and select it you need deleted video call recording, and then click here, and in this you can see restore now. File restore to restored videos. That's mean I can easily recover or restore my deleted video call recording. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.